Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can use Spotify. So Spotify is pretty much easy to use. All you got to do is mainly first download Spotify or go to the Spotify on the website. So the Spotify website would be just write Spotify and then just website the web player, and this is going to be your website Spotify. Or if you want, you can just download the Spotify from the Microsoft Store. Head over to Microsoft Store and then wait for it to load. Well, at least I have to wait. And then over here in the search, just write Spotify, and it should be right there. And it should be right there. And then all you want to do is just download it. In my case, I have to update it. So once I press on update, nothing's really happening. So I guess, okay, now it's downloading. So that's about it. And then after you're done, let's go back to the web browser one. So after your Spotify is done downloading, all you want to do is either sign up or log in. Now if you press on sign up, you can sign up with your Facebook account, with your Google account. So since we already have a Tech Idea Google account, I'm just going to press on sign up, use my Tech Idea Google account, and then it should be as easy as that. And it's going to ask me for a birth date. That's invalid. I'm just gonna write 12 July 2000, just 2000. And then all I gotta do is sign up, and that's about it. I have successfully created my Spotify account, and now you can listen to music on Spotify. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.